So, dear press members and distinguished guests, so welcome to our press conference. We are very happy to see you again. So, we had a very hectic period behind us. So, a long pandemic period, and I'm so happy to come together again. Hanover is one of the most prestigious transportation exhibitions in the world, bringing all main stakeholders of the automotive industry together. So we had a very challenging period in the last 3 years. So a long pandemic period, then the supply chain disruptions, which still have a tremendous impact, not only on the availability, but also on the cost side. And then unfortunately the war in Ukraine, which also led to a high jump in energy costs. In spite of all these challenges, the commercial vehicle industry did not lose its key focus. Disruptive technological changes, including alternative fuel vehicles, connected smart vehicles, and climate targets are still the priorities for the sector. The commercial vehicle sector and Anadolu Isuzu continued its strong R&D works to reach these targets. As Anadolu Isuzu, we are very proud that the vehicles we manufacture are on the streets of many cities all around the world. We have many developments, new developments, and good news that we want to share with you today. So as you know, we are manufacturing commercial vehicles for 40 years. Our main focus is always quality in product development, innovation, manufacturing, and after sales. Today, our products have reached a wide geography by improving our presence in foreign markets, as well as growing in the local market. We export our buses to 3 continents, over 45 countries. Our key philosophy is to develop and manufacture innovative and environmental friendly vehicles for the markets, but in a tailor-made way, in our smart factory near to Istanbul. So let me give first some news about our new markets. Since last year, we are getting very active in Germany, which is positioned as the 3rd largest market in the world and the largest one in Europe. As Anadolu Isuzu, we made a very successful entry to the German market in 2021, which continues in 2022 too. Germany is a strategic market for us and we will continue to strengthen our Germany operations in the coming periods. At the same time, our activities in Spain, Portugal, and UK started with a very strong organization there. Currently, an increasing number of cities are welcoming our buses. So, dear guests, the strong muscles that we have developed in R&D brings us new championships and prestigious awards at many international platforms. We are proud that the vehicles we develop have been awarded many times in the recent years. So first of all, we won the Sustainable Bus of the Year 2022 award in Europe with our 100% biogas compatible Kendall Cng vehicle. One of the models we are also exhibiting here. On top of many design awards, our buses became the export champion for the minibus for the 18th year. And of course, our achievements are directly reflected in our growth rate and in our sales graphics too. In 2021, we broke new records in our company, and we maintain our rapid growth momentum in 2022 too. While achieving these accomplishments, we are integrating corporate sustainability into our products. Not only products, also the services and all our business processes since 2018. In accordance with this goal, we focused on developing environmental friendly vehicles, the Novosti Volt, City Volt, and Kendall Cng models that we have developed with the zero and low emission targets for a sustainable food future attracted great attention in the international markets. We are also fighting against the climate change by taking part in many international activities. So we have signed many commitments in the field of sustainability. We signed the platforms such as Drive to Zero, Science-Based Goals Initiative, and finally the Global Compact. I'm also very proud that we already have started to use solar energy in our plant, which covers almost 55% of our electricity needs. Our investments on the energy side will continue. So IAA Hanover Transportation Fair is one of the most prestigious fairs in the automotive industry. In this respect, we are here with our new successful vehicles, with many features for our customers. So the first of our vehicles developed with the zero emission target is the fully electric Novosti Volt. The Novosti Volt that we designed in accordance with the public transportation trends of the future has an environmental friendly and quiet feature. And it's an eye-catching design, and technological equipment are full in the vehicle. The Novosti Volt model, which is highly demanded in many European countries today, was awarded also in the transportation category at the ABC Design Award, one of the most prestigious design competitions in the world. The second model at our stand is the fully electric City Volt. So we developed the City Volt by taking our electrical product experience, which started with Novosti Volt, to the next level. It is one of the most assertive models in our product range, with its modern lines, technological equipment, and its features. Starting with 2023, we will see the City Volt in many markets. Another model, as I mentioned before, we have here today is the Kendall Cng, which you are already familiar with. As the bus of the year in the intercity category at the Sustainable Bus Award competition, this model is also fully compliant with the strict emission norms in Europe and significantly reduces the emissions thanks to its CNG engine, which is fully compatible to use biogas fuel, which is very important. One of our new models is the Grand Tourer medium-sized coach. Like all other models here, the Grand Tourer was awarded by international authorities even before it hit the road. This model in the medium-sized coach segment offers the advantage of low emission in compliance with the Euro 6e emission standards. So, dear members of the press and dear guests, as I mentioned, disruptive technologies are transforming our world rapidly, and our industry is undergoing a sweeping transformation. Anadolu Isuzu's R&D is in a strong cooperation with its ecosystem, which not only includes our valuable suppliers, but also engineering companies, startups, and universities. We have a clear mission to support our full ecosystem. As Anadolu Isuzu, we are trying to be one of the pioneers of this great change by combining the sustainability with technology. We are in the league of players who not only follow trends, but also develop and implement technologies, innovative technologies. With this advanced R&D vision, now we are making another important step. Today, we are very excited and have a surprise for you. We are introducing you our new player, which will breathe life into the transportation of modern cities and mark our difference in the micro-mobility. That's our excitement. So I hope you like it and get valuable feedbacks from all customer groups and test all city and climate conditions to fulfill the needs in the best way. We will be very assertive with the Big E, which is developed by Anadolu Isuzu engineers and designers. You will feel our strong truck DNA, good design and R&D capabilities, and our strong after-sales capacity in this vehicle. So finally, I want to say that our target is to complete our alternative energy product portfolio in 2024. Whole team is working on this. So Anadolu Isuzu is ready for the future, thanks to our committed people, expanded ecosystem, and valuable customers. So thank you for listening. Now I'm ready to take your questions. Thank you.